Start.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to your Watanabe show. My name is Princess Krista, and today we have Priyanka, Smriti, and Pura along with us. So, Smriti first is going to play straights, and then we'll be coming on the news part. Over to you, Smriti.
No, she doesn't have a trades. I have to share my.
Okay.
I mean, yesterday we didn't place any trades.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
TCS call came in correct. Let's book some profit. Exit. Exit. For the time being, I will reduce the risk here. Wait 1 second. And Nifty is down 30 points. I put a market order at that.
You still can.
So I'm not worried. 650 is not going to get hit. 850 and 800. So this will manage during a draw. And this we have to cover at some place. What about my long calls? So these are slight down. And TCS is now down 1%, not a major damage. The HDFC small rally ahead of earnings. That's the trade. This, I think, will hold it on these two. The depth for this. I was 381, a fake print. Nothing would have traded there. Since we're getting it, let's see. That's trade. Actually, HDFC Bank trade, not the Fin.
Nestle Cora.
Nestle is gone case only. We have to hedge it. So our this is the problem. It doesn't trade. Maybe hedge with 20,000 pounds.
Bank Nifty is recovering.
Long calls into call spreads. Let's see. Right, I'm in control. Let's finish the news and come back to it. Smriti, you have to wait another 5 minutes. I just sent another reset.
Yeah, okay, good.
So in global market updates, we have is So in global market updates, we have is US futures is lower following a close in the red for cash market. US market ends lower on renewed recession fears. Nasdaq is down by around 0.8%. Dow snaps 4-day winning streak. It is down by around 0.1% ahead of key earnings report. SGX Nifty trades flat. That indicates a muted start for the Indian market. Yesterday, there was US CPI release and also FOMC minutes, which we'll be discussing it later. Moving towards the Indian area, we can see that ICICI Bank, HDFC, and Dr. Reddy's is up, whereas Wipro and Infy is down. Earnings, we had TCS yesterday and Anand Rathi. So TCS revenue is up by around 0.16%. Net profit is up by around 5.08%. And the board has approved a final dividend of rupees 24. Anand Rathi revenue is up by around 27% and net profit is up by around 23%. And the board has recommended a final dividend of rupees 7. Today, big results is Infosys. And HDFC, so the bank has signed an agreement with Export-Import Bank of Korea. NTPC, the company will issue NCDs worth 3,000 crore. Bharat Heavy Electricals, so the company has signed an MOU with Nuclear Power Corporation of India. RVNL, the company received an order from North Western Railway worth 63 crores. RITES, the company received a project worth 72 crores. Campus Activewear, the company acquired land from Marico worth for a cash consideration of 16 crores. HDFC SEBI has approved change in control of the company's subsidiary, HDFC Capital Advisors. SRF, on April 12, the company commissioned and capitalized a project to create a pharma intermediates plant at Dahej for undertaking precursor processes. AU Small Finance Bank, RBI has approved the appointment of Mr. Sanjay Agarwal. Karnataka Bank, RBI has approved appointment of Shekhar Rao. And Torrent Power, the company clarified that it received a contract from nodal agency of Ministry of Power. In trading peaks, we see that Britannia Industries, Edelweiss Financial Services, and Goodluck India are going ex-date interim dividend today. And FNOQs, we can see FIs have bought in cash market. FIs have bought around 1,907 crores. DIs have bought 225. DIs have sold 225 crores. FI and derivatives, they have gone long in index futures and short in index option. And overall, there is an additional of around 2,421 crores. In money market update, we can see rupee closed at 0.05% higher against the US dollar at 82.09 on Wednesday. So yesterday we had CPI, US CPI reports released. Cora, would you like to highlight something on this?
Yeah, it's a cooling off, except the shelter, right? So the housing is still a problem in the CPI. So unless otherwise the housing is controlled.
Yes, that's your
Yeah, it's still going up and up.
going up.
Shelter. Energy was in control last month, but again, remove the shelter. Energy, just only the energy.
Yeah, just energy.
Yeah, but it'll uptake because of crude price hike from OPEC total. It's a good report for a pause. I mean, that's what Fed was also considering. Actually, they wanted to pause last meeting. But because of the banking crisis, they went ahead and hiked the interest rate. So now with this new CPI report, we have to see. Actually, CPI doesn't consider PC. I think PC comes towards the end of month. When is the next meeting?
10th May. CPI, 10th May.
No, the Fed meeting. See, watch tool. It's 20 days. I think 3rd May. So he might have seen. When is the next PC report? PCE. PCE.
E.
PCE.
PCE. Just a minute.
PC inflation report.
Okay. I think 20
Yeah,
days.
it's April 20. So you will see. So he will give a hint whether he's going to pause or maybe the last hike. It's on April 28th. So you will have the information before his meeting. So the next meeting becomes crucial. Actually, we was doing a study which I will present sometime next show. Once the rates peak, assuming the rate peak is on May 3rd or the previous meeting, one of these two. If he stops pausing in May, or if he hikes in May, that might be the last one. So going forward, S&P returns, we have done some research because we have like 5 rate cycles since 1980. I will push that stats on the blog or on Telegram channel tomorrow when I finish that study. All right.
Yesterday, yeah, we also had results of Indian CPI. So inflation rate is at around 5.66 against 6.44 previously. And CPI price index is at 177.20 points. CPI housing utilities remain constant. So that's it. Like an Indian CPI.
Most of it is coming from cooling off in food prices. The food inflation.
Yes, it's down.
All right, I'll see you in the afternoon because of expiry. By the time we'll have a 200K account ready. I mean, like the glitch of password reset will be done. So I'll see you at 1 o'clock.
Okay, so let's catch back at 1 o'clock for the expiry show. Thank you, everyone.